Okay. Well, I got the power steering bracket over there. Well, I'll get you a video of that. Let me put them back together. I got the power steering pulley. Started painting. Now I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna bring it up here now because all these can go back over there. So there's that. So I'll get a coat on this in just a moment, but I'll get a video of me putting the bracketry on the power steering pump, waiting for the pulley to go back on. And then I'm gonna put the pulley back on the smog pump. So, but I'm gonna clean up the smog pump, and I'll show that in a little bit too. Ooh, the power steering pulley. Put the heavy coat on, make it look good. Then we're gonna clean up the smog pump. Get some cast iron, because it's clean, but been sitting. So we'll get it all cleaned up nicely. Xander's gotta sand down the power steering pump pulley bracket a little bit. Hey, you mind? Keep it down over there. Because we got an aluminum one instead of a cast iron one. So clean that up just a little bit. Hit it with a little paint. And we'll get that bolted on and I'll show you guys. But I'm gonna get a little coat on this thing and I'll show you guys in a little bit. Look at that. Power steering pump is in. I'm gonna give it a little spritz on one side, but nothing bad. All good. Looks great. So as soon as the pulley is done drying, which should probably be in like 10-15 minutes, I will go get the tool and get it back on. So now that's all done and that can be set on the shelf, ready to go. All right.